understood by this also. So I can just get the answer. I use the Excel so that you can do your homework from the Excel also. 20, this cell I am selecting, divided by this cell, that is total, multiplied by 1000. We are getting 77.4. This is my age specific, general fertility rate, means total live births divided by total of female who are having childbearing age group multiplied by 1000. Now this answer, see, if I put my cursor over here, I get in this address bar C23 divided by B23 into 1000. Means how I got this 25, this value, that is C23, this 1200 is in C and 23. So C23 divided by B and 23, that is means 40,000 has address B23 into 1000. Then just use scroll, I am showing again over here, equal to this divided by this, means total live births of a particular age group divided by female population of that age group itself multiplied by 1000. Now if I just only drag this, I get the age specific fertility rate for each and every age group. So specific fertility rate for each and every age group. And this total of this age specific, I am selecting this and doing on this sign, that is summation. I am getting 5 and 3. This total age specific fertility rate. Now if this specific fertility rate, in short, it is known as SFR. This is the column of SFR, and this is known as total of SFR, that is summation SFR. Okay. If this summation SFR is multiplied by I, or you can say each and directly, if I multiply this 5 and 3 into 5. Why 5? 15 to 19 is having the difference of 5 years. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Next also 20 to 24 age group difference is 5 years. 25 to 29 again 5 years. And age group difference is same, that is 5. So we are getting 2565. In place of this, if you do for each and every age group, means SFR into 5, as every age group is having here 5. Here also I can multiply equal to this, multiply by 5. If I need to multiply each and every one 5, so I drag, I am getting this. So if I now total of this, then my answer comes same. So this and this, means if I do the formula for TFR, summation SFR multiplied by I, or if I do SFR into I, then outside summation, means summation bracket SFR into I, now bracket over, then also my answer is same, because my age group interval is same, 5 years. Now same way we consider the second example. From the following table, find GFR and TFR. Why GFR and TFR? My example is just only this. If the total population is 4 lakh, find CBR. Now I am already given fertility rate. Means I am not given live births. I need to find live births. How can I find? How this fertility rate is obtained? See the above example. How we obtained this? We have done live births. C23 means this is live births divided by female population into 1000. So I got specific fertility rate. So the formula is SFR equal to live birth divided by population of that age group multiplied by 1000. So now I am having already SFR. So if SFR is multiplied with that age group population and with 1000 divided, then we will get live births, means fertility rate multiplied by female population divide by 1000. We will get live births. Same way for this, equal to this fertility rate multiplied by that population of that age group itself divide by 1000. So in this way, if we do for each and every age group, we are getting this. Now if I prepare this row as total, so I need to do total. So total live births by this 1,36,000 total female is 10559. So what will be my GFR? Total number of live births, that is 10559. I am just selecting the cell. Divide by total number of female of childbearing age group. I am having the total female this, that is itself childbearing age group 15 to 49 itself. So selecting this cell, multiplied by 1000. 64, sorry. Then what is SFR is already given. What is TFR? So this is my total summation SFR into I, means total of SFR. What is total? I am selecting this and in total into I means what? 15 to 19, I am having 5 years again age group. So TFR equal to what is it? Then my answer equal to summation SFR into 5. My answer is 2515. Now here I am asked again CBR. Obvious, the birth is given by only and only this 15 age group female till 49 age group female. After that, in general, female is not able to give the birth to a child. So, and our formula of CBR is total live births divided by total population multiplied by 1000. That we have seen in that PPT. Birth rate is total live birth divided by population. So here my live birth is 10559. I can write also or I can select also. Suppose I am selecting directly. Divided by, here I am not 4 lakh as a value in a cell. So I can type also 4 lakh multiplied by 1000. 26.397 is my crude birth rate. Today we have discussed about demographic statistics. We will meet again with new topic. Thanks a lot.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.